Hello everyone. In this lecture, we have to see the orthogonal condition for Legendre polynomial. Okay. Now, from this orthogonal condition for Legendre polynomial, uh, when we have to say that the two functions are orthogonal to each other. Okay. Now, integral over -1 to +1 Pn of x into Pm of x dx is equal to delta Mn. Okay, where this delta Mn is called as the Kronecker delta function. Okay, now this 2 Pn of x into Pm of x dx, that must be equal to 0. Then we have to say that the two functions are orthogonal to each other. Okay, now means what? When the value of this integration is 0, then Legendre polynomial are said to be orthogonal to each other over the interval -1 to +1. Okay. Now we have to prove the orthogonal condition for this Legendre polynomial. Okay. Prove that integral over -1 to +1 Pn of x square dx is equal to 2 upon 2n plus 1. Okay. Now we have to prove this equation by using Legendre polynomial, and we have to satisfy the orthogonal condition Pn of x into Pm of x dx, that must be equal to 0. Now consider the generating function of Legendre polynomial. Okay, in our first lecture we have already seen that the generating function of this Legendre polynomial g of xt is equal to 1 minus 2xt plus t square raised to minus 1 half is equal to summation over n Pn of x t raised to n. Okay, now we have to prove that Pn of x square dx is equal to 2 upon 2n plus 1. Now squaring on both sides from this equation, squaring on both sides, 1 minus 2xt plus t square raised to minus 1 is equal to summation over n Pn of x square into t raised to 2n. Okay, now integrating equation, this will be the equation number 1. Integrating equation 1 by over the interval -1 to +1, we get, therefore integral over -1 to +1, 1 minus 2xt plus t square raised to minus 1. Okay, this will be right as this term will get denominator dx upon 1 minus 2xt plus t square is equal to summation over n t raised to 2n into integral over -1 to +1 Pn of x square dx. Okay, now let substitute y is equal to 1 minus 2xt plus t square, and dy is equal to what? Dy is equal to minus 2t plus minus differentiate with respect to x minus 2t into dx. Dy is equal to minus twice t into dx, dy by dx with respect to x. Now from this equation, when we have to put x is equal to +1, then y is equal to 1 minus y is equal to 1 1 minus t bracket square, and when we have to put the value of x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 1 plus t bracket square. Therefore, integral over minus 1 to plus 1 dx upon 1 minus 2xt plus t square is equal to what? 1 upon twice t, 1 upon twice t into integral over 1 minus t square to 1 plus t bracket square into dy upon y. Okay, is equal to 1 upon twice t into integration of y is log of y over the interval 1 minus t square to 1 plus t square. Now, by solving this equation, 1 upon twice t into log of 1 plus t square upon 1 minus t square is equal to 1 upon twice t. We have to write this equation divided by this term, therefore this is the negative sign. 1 upon twice t into twice into log of 1 plus t minus twice into log of 1 minus t. Therefore, this 2 get cancel here. 1 upon t into log of 1 plus t upon 1 minus t. Equation number 2. But the series of this log of 1 plus t, log of 1 plus t is equal to t minus t square upon 2 plus t cube upon 3 plus and log of 1 minus t is equal to minus t square by 2 minus t cube upon 3 and so on. Okay. Now, subtracting these two equations, we have to get the value of log of 1 plus t minus log of 1 minus t is equal to twice into t minus t. This will be 2t, therefore t here, and here is the negative and minus, therefore this term will be cancelled. Twice into t plus t cube upon 3 plus t raised to 5 upon 5 and so on. Okay. Therefore, this 1 upon t into log of 1 plus t upon 1 minus t is equal to twice into 1 plus t square upon 3 plus t raised to 4 upon 5 plus t raised to 6 upon 7 and so on. That must be equal to twice into summation over n t raised to n, t raised to 1 and 1 plus 1 2. Therefore, we have to write this series by like this: t raised to 2n upon 2n plus 1. Okay. Therefore integral over -1 to +1 dx upon 1 minus 2xt plus t square is equal to twice into summation over n t raised to 2n upon 2n plus 1. Now substituting this value in equation from this equation. Okay, summation over n t raised to 2n into integral over -1 to +1 pn of x square dx is equal to twice into summation over n t raised to 2n upon 2n plus 1 t raised to 2n upon 2n plus 1. Therefore comparing coefficient on both side, okay, the coefficient of t raised to 2n, is -1 to +1 pn of x square dx is equal to 2 upon 2n plus 1 integral over -1 to +1 pn of x square dx is equal to 2 upon 2n plus 1. Okay, this is the orthogonal condition for Legendre polynomial. Okay, thank you.